Welcome to Taskade Genesis. In this guide, we'll show you how to customize your apps, from the first prompt to the final polish. Customization starts the moment you open the Genesis interface. Choose one of the prompt templates to get started. There are options for chatbots, FAQ pages, booking forms, surveys, and more. Or just type your prompt and define the purpose and style of your app. You can also add context like screenshots, brand guidelines, reference images. Upload directly, pull from your workspace, or connect cloud storage. Let's drag and drop an image with some inspiration. Genesis will use it as a visual reference when building your app. The data visualization tool is ready. Take a moment to navigate the interface, explore the tabs, check out the charts, see how everything is laid out. Now let's see what changes we can make to customize it further. First, let's ask Taskade Genesis to implement a light mode and dark mode switcher. All you have to do is type the prompt in the chat. Genesis reads the request and updates the app. You can keep refining with the chat. Ask Genesis to add features, adjust the layout, or implement something new. Now let's dive deeper into the app customization settings. Open the settings menu to access more options. Start with the basics. Change the app name. Pick an icon and choose a color that fits your brand. Additional branding options are useful when you want to share your apps or publish them online. Add a page title, description, and tagline. This is what people see when you share the link, and what shows up in search results. You can preview exactly how it will appear when shared. If you ever run into errors, especially when making big changes, just prompt the assistant. Give some examples of typical issues you're seeing. The AI will figure out what the problem is, plan steps to troubleshoot, and describe the implemented solution. And if you ever make a change you want to undo, there's version history. Every edit is saved automatically. Browse through past versions and restore any of them with one click.